Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Job Reviews. Today, we are diving into the budget-friendly smartphone market with the Infinix Smart 8, which costs less than 400 dirham only. Now, let's see if this wallet-friendly device packs a punch or leaves us wanting more. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. First impression matter, right? The Infinix Smart 8 doesn't disappoint in the design department. It's slim, lightweight, and fits comfortably in the hand. The glossy back panel catches the light, which is great, and there are color options: timber black, shiny gold, and crystal green. The 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS display is decent for everyday use. It won't blow your mind, but it gets the job done. Plus, that 90Hz refresh rate adds a touch of smoothness to scrolling and app navigation. With side-mounted fingerprint and volume rocker at the right, USB-C, speaker grill, microphone and headphone jack at the bottom, and a SIM tray on the left side. It is slim and lightweight as well, with 8.5mm thick and weighing 184 grams. Under the hood, we've got the UniSOC T606 processor, a 12nm chipset with the clock speed of Octacore 1.6 GHz. It's not a powerhouse, but it handles basic tasks without breaking a sweat. You can choose between 3GB or 4GB of RAM, and the storage option range from 64GB to 128GB. Oh yes, and it runs on Android 13 Go edition, which keeps things snappy. Now let's talk about the camera. The rear camera setup consists of 30MP main lens paired with an AI lens. It's good for capturing everyday moments, but don't expect flagship level photography. The 8MP front camera handles selfies and video calls. It's serviceable, but nothing more. This phone is equipped with 5000 mAh battery that supports 10 watts, keeps the Smart 8 going throughout the day. It's not groundbreaking, but it won't leave you stranded either. As for connectivity, we've got the basics covered: dual SIM support, Wi-Fi, 5.0 Bluetooth, and GPS. So, should you consider the Infinix Smart 8? If you're on a tight budget, it's a practical choice. It won't handle heavy gaming or intense multitasking, but for everyday tasks and communication, it's solid. Plus, those color options add a bit of flair. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting tech reviews like this. Until next time, this is Tech Job signing off. Stay smart and stay techy. Peace out.